Welcome. If you want to change font style in your Samsung Galaxy Note 20, at the first you have to move for the settings. Right now we have to tap on the display. Here you have to scroll down and enter the font size and the style. Tap on the font style, and right now we can select one of the three font, and of course we can also get more. When you tap on the downloads, you will be moved for the Galaxy Store, and you will be able here to get more interesting fonts. But let's use maybe the Samsung one, and as you can see, here we get the preview how our font has changed. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.